So today's video tutorial is specifically on how to break even on your active trades. Now the first thing I would want to note is for you to break even on your active trade, your trades need to be in profit first. Okay, so there's two ways you could break even on a trade, and I am going to illustrate both methods right now. The first way is to simply hover your mouse on your stop level, click on it, hold, drag down to your entry point. The modification pane will appear. All you have to do is click on modify and your stop is exactly at your entry. Same thing here, you hold on your stop, drag down to your entry. So I'm just going to show you this right here. So this was at 50,271.63, stop loss as 51,259, but by the time we hold and we drag down to here, you notice that our stop loss is at break even level on both trades. Now this is the first method. Another method is simply, I'm just going to move this here just to give you an example. Another method is a bit more manual than this one. I'm just going to give you an example right now. So what you want to do is click on the active trade, any active trade, right click and then click on modify. Then you could simply modify your stop loss manually here to accommodate to your break even entry price. So in this case we're going to do 49,788.16. Modify, there we go. Do the second one again, right click, modify, and you have here 50,271.63, modify. So you have both of your positions now on break even. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Click a like button if you enjoyed this. Also subscribe to my channel for free educational content. My Telegram channel is also in the description below. Please join my channel for free educational content. Once again, guys, happy trading week. It's your boy Archer.